Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Benson Sete. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the CPR. CPR is a combination of chest compression and rescue breathing. So when we see LLF, look, listen, and feel. Look for the chest movements. Listen to the breathing sound and feel the chest movement or the pulse of the patient. So we also have the cuff, the compressions, breathing, airways and breathing, and we also have the ABC, airways, breathing, and circulation. Circulation. And for witnessing rescue breathing, this is a combination of one blow in 24 seconds. Then we give 24 cycles into we give one last blow. And for the cup, we have compression, airways, and breathing. So 30 chest compressions, 2 blows, and 1 in 5 cycles. So the scenario is we are in the public. So we saw a man lying on the ground, unconscious, lying on the ground unconscious. So first is to check, before we're going to approach the person, we need to check the area for safety. So check the area for safety, 360 degrees, the front, to my back, the sides, the other sides, and up and down, so for safety. So all safe, the area is safe. Now we're going to approach the person. So first is verbal approach. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? No response, negative response. I'm going to physical approach. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? No response, negative response. Let's do the universal help. Help! 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 So, hey ma'am, wearing army green scrub suits. My name is Setsu City. I am first trained aider. We are here in Isapuna village. There are some man lying on the ground. Please call for help for ambulance for 117. Don't drop the call and come back immediately. Now check the man, patient from head to toe for bleeding. Yan. From head to toe, so that's so max settle. And check the nose and mouth for any blockage. So we are going to treat. Start. And now let's do the LLF. The correct positioning the LLF, we use the index fingers and the ring finger to the carotid pulse. The other hands to the abdomen. And we tilt our head to the sides. So the LLF, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Negative pulse, negative breathing. Now we give chest compression. So from the side, sternum, mid-sternum, on the mid-sternum. So since adult siya, so we cannot determine about his or her nipple line. So we locate the heart by causing to the mid-sternum. On the xiphoid process, mid-sternum, on the xiphoid process, we add 2 to 3 fingers above the mid-sternum and we use our base, our hand. Okay. Okay. From the xiphoid process, mid-sternum, 2 to 3 fingers above the mid-sternum and we use, we put our base of that above the fingers and now we do compress. Okay? And see to it that hand is lifting, not like this. Okay? Not with that. Now we need to just compress. While chest compress, we look, we lock our eyes to the face of the patient. Now, and this is the correct position, and we lock our elbow. We use our chest to maneuver. We use our chest to push. Not the hand, but our chest, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. And we give 2 blows. Accidental, pinch the nose and blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. These are the few breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. In the left, so positive pulse, negative breathing, let's skip rescue breathing. So in rescue breathing, we have 1 blow in every 4 seconds in 24 seconds. Okay? And, that's 24. 1 blows for every 4 seconds in 24 seconds. Okay. Blow first. 1, 1002, 1003, 1001. 1, 1002, 1003, 1002. 1, 1002, 1003, 1003. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1002, 1003, 1005. 1, 1002, 1003, 1006. 1, 1002, 1003, 1007. 1, 1002, 1003, 1008. 1, 1002, 1003, 1024. And give 1 last blow. And this blow the LRF. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So positive pulse, positive breathing. Now, let's put the patient to recovery position. So raise the farthest arm to the abdomen, nearest arm raise, and bend the farthest leg, and at least at the nearest. So we put the patient or move the patient to recovery position. In the recovery position, we let the patient at least 5 minutes to allow the patient to vomit any saliva and to avoid aspiration. And now while in recovery position, we check the DOTS of the patient from head to toe. When we say DOTS, deformities, open wounds, tenderness, and swelling. While asking questions. So, from head to toe, what is your name, sir? There's no signs of deformities. Do you have any answer? No signs of open wounds? What is your number, sir? No signs of tenderness? Who is your contact in person, sir? No signs of swelling. Now, after 5 minutes, in recovery position, the ambulance is arrived, and now we are going to turn over the patient to the ambulance and put back the patient to recovery supine position. Turn over the patient to the rescuer and instruct the rescuer to bring the patient to the nearest hospital. Now, questions?